Divide the number 952 into two parts in the ratio 3:5. Here the number is 952. The first term is 3 and the second term is 5. Therefore, the first part is equal to first term divided by sum of terms into number. Here the first term is 3. So 3 divided by sum of the term is 3 plus 5 into the number is 952. That is equal to 3 divided by 8 into 952. 8 and 952 are coming in the table of 8. So 952 cancelled by 8, the answer is 119. That is equal to 3 into 119 equal to 357. Second part is equal to second term divided by sum of terms into number equal to 5 divided by 3 plus 5 into 952 equal to 5 divided by 8 into 952. 8 and 952 cancelled by 8. So this is coming 119. 5 into 119 equal to 595. Next question. A man leaves 1,85,378 rupees to be divided between his son and a daughter in the ratio 5:2/3 is to 2:1/5. Find the amount each receives. Here first total money is 1,85,378 rupees. That money is divided among his son and daughter in the ratio 5:2/3 and 2:1/5. First we have to find out the sum of the terms equal to 5:2/3 plus 2:1/5. Convert into improper fraction. So this is 17/3 plus 11/5. Take the LCM here. LCM is 15. So here the 17 is multiplied by 5. 17 5s are 85 plus 11 is multiplied by 3. 11 3s are 33. That is equal to 118 divided by 15. Son's amount is equal to first term divided by sum of the terms into number. That is equal to 5:2/3 divided by 5:2/3 plus 2:1/5 into 1,85,378. 5:2/3 is 17/3 divided by this sum is already found, that is 118 divided by 15 into 1,85,378. This is fraction. Fraction division is equal to take the reciprocal and multiply. So this is equal to 17/3 into 15/118 into 1,85,378. 3 and 15 are coming in the table of 3. So cancelled by 3. This is 1 and this is 5. Now 1,85,378 is coming in the table of 118. 118 1000 into 1,571 is equal to 1,85,378. So 1,85,378 is cancelled by 118. The answer is 1,571. That is equal to 17 into 5 into 1,571 equal to 1,33,535 rupees. Now daughter's amount is equal to total amount minus son's amount. Total amount is 1,85,378 minus son's amount already we found, that is 1,33,535. Therefore, daughter's amount is equal to total minus son's amount. That is equal to 51,843 rupees. Next question. A man's property of 2 lakh was divided between his wife and son such that his wife got thrice as his son. Find his wife's share. Here it is given that the total property of the man is 2 lakh rupees, that is divided among his wife and son in such a way that his wife got thrice as his son. That means if his sons got 1 rupee, his wife got 3 rupees. Here we can take it as, let x rupees be the share of his son. Therefore, wife's share is equal to 3x rupees. According to question, the total is 2 lakh rupees. That is, x plus 3x is equal to 2 lakh. 4x is equal to 2 lakh. X is equal to 2 lakh divided by 4, that is equal to 50,000. Therefore, wife's share is equal to 3x. That is equal to 3 into 50,000. That is equal to 1,50,000 rupees. Next question. A number is divided in the ratio 15:8. If the second part is 56, find the number. Here the number is not given, but the number is divided in the ratio is given as 15:8. Let 15x and 8x be the two parts of the number. According to question, it is given that the second part is 56. That is, second part is 8x. So 8x is equal to 56. Therefore, x is equal to 56 divided by 8 equal to 7. So the first part is equal to 15x. That is equal to 15 into 7 equal to 105. Therefore, the number is equal to 105 plus 56 equal to 161. So I hope this exercise was clear to you all. Practice the questions. Thank you.